Hey calligraph friends! This holiday, we all must be stuck at home, so why not make the most of it? I'll say this origami is somewhat easier than the previous tutorials I've posted. Let's make some easygoing Christmas ornaments with our practice sheets.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars.
For this origami, you will need some practice sheets, a needle with a big hole, a double-sided tape, a scissor, hot glue, and either a string or a yarn. Don't forget that these free printable calligraphy sheets are available for your download. Simply click the link in the description. By now, you will know what would be the first step. We need to pre-crease the paper first. Prepare 2 identical square papers. Here, I'm using a standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper. I will fold in half and fold a triangle to measure the 2 identical squares. One tip to fold a nice origami is to take time to precisely align the papers and make clean and sharp foldings. Use your fingernails to score the fold well. Using a scissor, cut the paper. 2 squares are ready. Starting with 1 square paper, fold the paper in half and half. Open the paper back 1 step out and fold it into a smaller diamond shape like this. Open the paper back again. Using a cupping motion, make a diamond shape like so. Now, fold the sides to make a kite-like shape. Repeat at the back side. Using a scissor, cut the flaps off. Using the same cupping motion, open each flap and flatten them front and back. Going around all the corners, fold the bottom sharp edges into smaller triangles. When all done, open all the triangles back again. Now, open the model wide and push back all the triangular shapes inward. Finally, one piece is done. We need to repeat the exact same step to make another identical piece. I'm going to be using double-sided tape to connect these 2 models into one ornament. You can use glue if you wish. Going around each corner, I have applied the small pieces of double-sided tape onto all the triangular inward shapes. You only need to do this step on one model. Now, prepare a string of your choice and a needle. If any of you is having a hard time inserting a thick yarn into a needle, here's an easy trick that worked for me. Using a regular sewing thread, make a small knot like this and insert it into the needle hole. Then, insert the thick yarn into the knot. Pull the thread out of the hole and voila! We can now use the needle with the yarn. Between the 2 models, choose one that you want it to go on the bottom. Then, pin through the center point. Now, pin through the other model from inside out. Tie a knot at the bottom part. If you wish, this would be an ideal time to add small beading into the endpoints to make the ornament even more fancier. Now that we have attached the string, we need to secure the two models together. Peel off the double-sided tapes that we have previously applied and carefully connect the zigzag ends together. The Christmas ornament is almost done. If needed, secure the connecting ends more tightly with a hot glue. Cut off the needle and tie a knot to complete the ornament. Congratulations! The Christmas ornament is now completed. But wait! You can create different variations of this ornament just by taking an extra few steps. Going back to the step where we have two pre-creased models, trim off 3 sections. Now, on the 4th section, trim and make a smaller taping flap. Apply small double-sided tapes onto the flap. Peel off the double-sided tapes and connect the ends. Repeat the same steps to the other model. When you have the two models ready, repeat the same connecting steps as to the original ornament. Now, you have 2 different variations of the ornament. Hope you had lots of fun making these origami projects. Please leave a comment as to which of these Christmas ornament is your favorite. It would be very encouraging if you could subscribe and hit that like button. I wish you continue to stay safe and healthy this holiday. Merry Christmas! And until next time, happy writing!